Mastering Compound Prepositions, a simple guide. Hello, learners. Welcome back to another episode in our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, compound prepositions. We'll focus on understanding what they are and how they differ from simple prepositions. As always, we'll dive into several examples to make sure you grasp the concept fully. Let's get started. Compound prepositions are prepositions made up of two or more words. They're used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence, much like simple prepositions. But they often express more complex relationships or ideas. Examples include phrases like on account of, in spite of, and in front of. Now, let's understand how compound prepositions differ from simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are single-word prepositions like on, at, in. They're, well, simpler. But when we need to express more specific relationships, we often turn to compound prepositions. Let's see how this works in the next section. We know that examples are the best way to learn. So, let's dive into some. In spite of means despite. So, instead of saying, despite the rain, we went out, we can say, in spite of the rain, we went out. On account of means because of. So, because of the heavy traffic, I arrived late can become I arrived late on account of the heavy traffic. In front of signifies location. Instead of the car is before the house, we say the car is in front of the house. Keep practicing these and other compound prepositions in your daily conversations or writing to gain fluency. To make sure you've got it, let's do a quick exercise. Try to replace the simple prepositions in these sentences with appropriate compound prepositions. 1. Despite the cold, they decided to go for a swim. 2. The cat is before the dog. 3. Because of the wind, the boat drifted off course. Pause the video, do the exercise, and then check the answers below. 1. In spite of the cold, they decided to go for a swim. 2. The cat is in front of the dog. 3. On account of the wind, the boat drifted off course. And that's a wrap on compound prepositions. We hope this video has made them a little easier to understand and use. As with anything in language learning, the key is practice. So, try to use compound prepositions as much as you can in your day-to-day communication. We'll be back with more exciting lessons. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.